Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung dryer and it seems to be stuck on cooling. So if it's stuck on cooling, this could be happening for a variety of different reasons, and we want to check the different reasons, going from sort of the easiest to deal with to the hardest to deal with. So the first thing, the easiest to deal with, is that some kind of vent could be blocked somewhere. So you want to make sure the air intake, the air where the air goes out, the filters and everything like that has been cleared of lint. There's nothing blocking airflow. The next thing you want to check is there could be an issue with the heating element, and so you want to make sure that your dryer is getting warm when it's supposed to be, and if it's not, then that might mean that you have an issue with the heating element, and that's getting it stuck in this cooling mode. Another thing that could be happening is it could have a faulty moisture sensor, giving the control board wrong information about whether the clothes are dry or not. Or then finally it could be the actual control board itself that is misinterpreting information because it's defective somehow. The last thing you can do to try to get rid of this is to just do a hard reset on the machine. So turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the breaker, leave it off for a full minute, and then turn it back on and see if that clears out the error. But anyways, hopefully one of those things, if you're able to address one of those issues, you can get rid of this problem and get your dryer working again. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.